All right, guys, we got VS, TSLL, VLCN, and WENA this morning. I'm also watching RDZN and TSLT. I pulled these all off of the scanner. So not a lot of news on these stocks this morning, but we'll try to see if we can find something on these to trade. You're looking at the 1 minute and 5 minute time frames here. I'm going to pull up the larger time frames first. This is the daily. Never mind, it says 5 minute. So on the daily time frame, I've marked out some resistance levels on VS here. And we're trading up in this range right now. So pulling back to 208 right there. And looking for, this is the 15-minute time frame here. Looking for a 15-minute higher low. Looking for an hourly higher low on that one. And then on this one here on the daily time frame, we are this stock here is trading up at around 1150, so getting close to that 1170 resistance level. And just a great big old candle here on the hourly and the 15-minute. Now we have a new candle, and I don't know, this one might need to consolidate. That's a pretty big move up with no consolidation. And then over here on VLCN and WENA on the larger time frames, daily time frame on this one, if I can zoom in there. I like the daily setup here as far as a daily potential breakout. We had a move up, but it sold off pretty hard. But now we're trading up in the 650 area, so right in this area. I want to see us get over 665 to see continuation on this daily setup. So there may be something here on this one, but on the hourly time frame, you can see we're pulling back there. So we're probably going to be looking at a 15-minute consolidation here and looking for a 15-minute higher low. And then on WENA, this one here is a fairly new ticker. And right now we're trading inside of the range of yesterday. So currently it's just a bounce on this hourly time frame. You can see hourly lower highs and lower lows. I don't know that there's going to be anything here on this one, but I thought I'd watch it. I traded it the other day back here when it made these moves, and it did pretty good on it. But we'll see. So back to the smaller time frames, 1 minute and 5 minute time frames now, as we have less than 10 minutes to go until the open. Bounced nicely. We bounced nicely off of the daily level there on that one. We got a couple of points tapped there. Okay, so we're right up there at that line now, meeting some resistance at that point. Yeah, I'm a little concerned on TSLL about the amount of move up and the possibility of a pullback at the open, but we'll see on that one. I mean, it's just gone straight up on the 5 minute with no consolidation. VLCN here. So this one is consolidating, but it had that 15-minute time frame here, which is now in consolidation mode as we broke the low of the last 15-minute candle. So possible head and shoulders here on the 5 minute time frame. And WENA, I don't know. I'm not seeing real good setups yet. You know what I think what I might do. TSLT here just got over that daily resistance level. Let's take a look at that here. So that's right up here, 1579. And then there's a gap fill up to 1668, and the next resistance is up at 860. This one, just like TSLL, has a great big candle, so it could be due for a consolidation as well. Both TSLT and TSLL are higher priced stocks. And look at us getting over that line on VS. There could be some potential there. We got a pre-market high up here of 244. Looking for that hourly higher low on that one. So let's go ahead and get rid of this line. So we're finding resistance at 235 there. Haven't closed above it yet. And about 5 minutes to go. The date today is July 2nd. Coming up to the 4th of July. Okay. All right, so we have 5-minute consolidation now on TSLL. It's likely going to be a 15-minute candle that closes with a long upper red wick. Still 4 minutes to go on that, so we'll see. And I think the same thing might be happening here on TSLT. I haven't looked, but these two, TSLT and TSLL, might be related to each other. Just the way the similarity in the way that they moved. Okay, so VS, we're getting our hourly breakout. So interesting on that one, you had an hourly inside bar that broke bare. Bulls bought the dip at that daily resistance level or support, which is now support. And now we're getting a bull break of that hourly inside bar. So it's a classic bear break, bull break. There may be some upside on this one. Got to see what we do as the price gets up to the daily resistance. What did those daily levels look like again? So 255 way up here. And I suppose I could put another one right there. Boy, you got one here too. 2 minutes. 2 minutes till the market opens. So I am on day 3 now of this trading challenge, and I'm trading with a very small share size. I'm trading on a point-based system, so I'm risking 12 points per trade. My max loss is 100 points, and I'm trying to get 100 points on the day. I do like the attempted breakout on VLCN. Being cautious, this could be a head and shoulders, though. And this one, TSLT, coming down to that support. And the same thing over here on TSLL. You see how they're trading pretty similar to each other. All right, we got us a half a minute to go. And we're open. Platform responding pretty well. A little sluggish, but that's to be expected. It is sink or swim. Oh, and we're falling there. Oh, maybe I should have stayed in that. Big drop there. Ooh, boy, the fills on this one are not that great. Okay, VS is holding so far. I'm a little worried about a flush on it. That's why I'm kind of like in and out really quick. We're holding the EMAs, but larger time frame, we might need to see consolidation on it. There's the drop coming off the VWAP here. Multiple trades at a time. It's kind of risky. Trying to catch this bounce off $6 on VLCN. has been some tricky price action this morning. Very difficult to trade. Hard to get in low and sell high. I'm noticing it's just a little weird, but yeah, it is what it is. See if TSLL can maybe pull back from or bounce from here. Okay, so on TSLL, we have an equilibrium. We have the double top up here at 1143. Bear flag on VS, but I'm holding a position here looking for that bear flag to be negated after coming down to this support level. Sometimes you'll see these type of moves right here go up and get halted. So that's kind of what I'm looking for. And on TSLL here, if the price comes back down and breaks below this higher low right here, then I really don't want to be in this trade anymore. So that's why I've got my stop losses down there. $2.12. I'm going to put my stop losses on this one down here at 2.11. Right below that 1 minute higher low. So now we're getting a bull break of this equilibrium. Remembering pre-market highs up at 11.59 and the daily level is up at 11.70. And BS is trying to break VWAP there. My profit over here is no longer updating. So the number you see on your screen there is not correct. I don't know that this one's going to get halted. It's not quite moving fast enough, but and I think what I'll do on TSLL is just move my stop losses up to break even. Whoops. And maybe it's going to come down and hit them. You know what? Just to be on the safe side, let's go with 11.21. Give it a little bit of breathing room. Oh, this one's flushing down now. I'm going to get out of that. Pretty good flush there. See if we hold 208. Not risking a lot on this one, so I'm in pretty low. But I've got my stop losses right at the low of day. TSLL starting to trend here. So now I can move all of my stop losses up to 11.30. Now we're up above 50. Coming up to that resistance up there. We got to get over the pre-market high of 1159. Watching, there's the breakthrough 1159. Looking for the move up to 1170. A lot of sellers at 63. Just trying to be patient. Got to get that move to 1170. $11.67. I went ahead and just took the profit there. What I'm going to do here, restart my max loss system. Somehow it messed up on me, version of it. I'm down 16 on the day. 16 points. Got through 70. That's crazy. Didn't see that coming. So today is likely going to be a red day for me. Looks like RDZN actually made a move. Oh, I didn't expect this thing to get through 70 so quick. Well, there we go. That got me back to green. My trading today wasn't that great. I don't know if it wasn't that great or if it was just hard to trade. I found VS very difficult. I tried trading it in here and just couldn't seem to get any profit on it. Was trying to get in and out quick, but it was moving around so fast my orders weren't getting filled at very good spots. Ended up taking a pretty good loss on that. The same over here on VLCN. And also, I have a max loss system that's supposed to activate when I hit a max loss. And even though I didn't hit a max loss, it still, for some reason, activated over here on my other computer and made it so I couldn't really trade over here. And now TSLL is dropping down there. Okay. Well, that's probably going to be it for me today. I just feel like I dodged a bullet here, got back to green. I mean, I could keep trying to trade TSLL, but if I go back to red now, I'm just going to be like, man, it's been a rough day. So I think I'm going to go ahead here and do this. Very small day. So 4 points, not much. Okay, so my low day was, I believe it was right at 100. And I don't know, my max loss didn't really catch that. So I'm not really sure what's going on there. Whoops. This is supposed to be negative 100. Okay, what happened over here? There we go. That's all messed up now. All right, but anyways, yeah, you can see here where I had lost 100 points. Almost gave back all of, I think I might have been down 130 at one point. I'm not really sure because the max loss system messed up on me. So I'm just going to say about 100. 100 is my max loss. That's where I'm supposed to be stopping. But like I said, my system didn't shut things down like it was supposed to. So occasionally that will happen, trying to get the bugs worked out. And anyways, so today was a very small 4-point day that amounts to $2. Made $2 today. I am sitting up, I'm averaging 83 points per day. My expected daily average is 50. So, you know, I'm better than what my expected average is, but, you know, red days will definitely come and change that. All right, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you had a great trading day. Mine was very stressful. I feel my shoulders are all tight and stuff. I was just like, oh my gosh, I don't want to have a red day. It's very difficult to have one, you know, but they come. It happens. Alrighty. Let me see. Bye-bye.